let's make something to eat. Let's go. Alright, so let's make some Jamaican beef patties. Some Dano's, whatever the fuck, this pizza. So I got some water to wash my hands and drink. And yeah. And I just got a new air fryer, so let's go check it out. Ta-da! Air fryer. It's the cheapest air fryer I found. So this air fryer was $20. So $20 in Walmart. So let's see how it works. Cheap air fryer with some food. Let's go. Haven't ate all day. I'm so hungry. I'm so hungry. Got some pepper spray, so if anybody try me, they getting it. Okay, good packing. Let me see how you coming, shorty. Okay, shorty. Let's see how you coming. I'm so hungry, I feel like I can eat this whole damn truck. That's crazy. It's crazy. I don't have a microwave. I decided to get a air fryer instead of a microwave because I heard the radiation on a microwave is not good for you, so I don't trust it, you know? So you telling me I'm gonna have to air fry shit on the bed? That's diabolical. I'm gonna need this. This is diabolical. Really, nigga? Shit hurt. What the fuck? Take this shit off. Woo! It's a hot day today, man. Show me some agua. Agua. Which one should I make first? The beef patty or the... I think I'm gonna make the pizza first. Actually, I'm gonna make the beef patty first so I can just eat it now and then eat the pizza later. Y'all seen it? This was brand new. Brand spanking new. Dang, look how small it is. Look how small it is. I don't even know if it can fit in the pizza can fit in this motherfucker. Let's see. Okay. Okay, fits perfectly fine. Okay. Okay. Well, we're gonna make this first. So. These have a lot of flakes, so I don't wanna have to pick up a whole bunch of flakes. So. That. I'm gonna put it on the floor because I don't know what. Let me take it. I took the fridge off because I don't wanna break this thing. Oh shit, 400. I don't need it to be that high. First time using it, I don't even know how it's gonna go, but I had to take out the plug off the fridge because I don't wanna like overuse it, you know what I'm saying? I don't want to overpower it. Okay, and just like that, the food is done. Let me grab it. Well, it looks done, I guess. Well, only this is done, but pizza. I'm gonna eat this now because I'm super hungry, and then when the pizza's done, I'll show you guys too. Whoosh! Oh yeah, that's it. Yup. The Walmart patties ain't playing, cuz. Hold on. Oh yeah. Bro, these right here, It's so fucking good, bro. That shit make me mad, bro. That shit's so good, bro. Oh my god. I'm gonna hit y'all up on a pizza dome. Alright, YouTube, so the pizza is done, you know? And there you go right there. There you go. It's a little bit burnt, but I like my pizza, like my pizza to have a little brown in it. So I don't got a problem with it. This air fryer did work pretty good, bro. I ain't gonna lie, it was looking decent, gang. I'm gonna put it on the chair, so let me empty this out first. But this is my first time cooking in this motherfucker. Well, I ain't really cook anything, I ain't gonna lie. I just warm this motherfucker up, but first time though. First ever time, man. It's crazy. Alright, my camera finna die. Let me quickly eat this and I'm gonna charge you up. Then I'm finna make a smoothie. So it should taste like ass. No. 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 No.